Bitcoin holders, prepare right now because it's obviously a trap. With that said, I will be doing a technical analysis today on the Bitcoin price as well as a price prediction this week. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for daily Bitcoin technical analysis and price prediction. This is DC Trading. Let's get right into it. So, the first question is, why are we seeing a Bitcoin correction? Well, guys, I'm going to answer that right now. The main reason why we are seeing a Bitcoin correction has to do with the DXY. This is very important because the DXY is getting stronger. If you don't know, when the DXY or the US dollar gets stronger, this means the stock market, the S&P 500, and the crypto market gets weak. But it's vice versa. When the US dollar gets weaker, this means that we are going to see an uptrend for the S&P 500, the stock market, and the Bitcoin. As you guys know, just today, it finally broke above this important resistance of $103. So this is very bearish for the Bitcoin price. And this is why I'm saying it's a trap, guys. Please do not fall for it. But that is the main reason why we see a Bitcoin correction. Also, if we take a look here, we saw that, Bitcoin briefly pumped to 25,200. Why is this important? Well, guys, what do we have here? We have high liquidity grab. This means banks and institutions purposely pumped the price to this area. As you guys can see, it did wick. Look at the wick right here. It's very obvious. Banks and institutions pumped it to this level because there was high liquidity grab. And if we take a look at the Bitcoin liquidations, what do we see? 184 million liquidated in the past 24 hours. Also 165 million liquidated in the past 12 hours. Just think about that. And if we take a look, the majority of positions were long that were liquidated. It's very obvious. Banks and institutions pumped the price on purpose to this area of 25,200 or 300. And it's very obvious because we see this wick right here. We don't see it close above. We saw a wick. So overall, we need to be careful because this is an obvious Bitcoin trap. Now, overall, guys, we did see earlier today or yesterday, the Bitcoin price did pump to 25,200 thanks to the news of the inflation being at 6.4%, even though it was higher than expected at 6.2%. Things are not adding up. This is why I'm saying it's a trap. Also, just yesterday, when the US dollar was hovering around the $103 range, well, we did see the S&P 500 green candle form, as well as the Bitcoin price rising as well, which did not make any sense. This was obviously a trap to, get you guys all hyped. And right now, everyone is confused. This is why I'm telling you from a technical standpoint, be careful because things are looking bearish for the crypto market. Now, as of right now, thanks to the $104 rise for the US dollar, what do we see? S&P 500 is forming on the weekly time frame a red candle. If we have like 3 days or 4 days until the weekly candle closes. If it closes on a red, well, guys, just prepare because we may see a major crash very soon, especially if the US dollar gets even stronger. I'm talking about the $110 range. Good luck with the crypto market because this means we're going to see Bitcoin tank as well. Be careful, guys. But overall, we do need to be careful. Why, guys? Well, we are below, important support, as you guys can see. And right now we are seeing a correction. People are, very confused because we did see this pump to 25,200 as I predicted correctly. Now we're seeing this big correction of $2,000, and we need to be careful. As you guys can see on the daily or the 4-hour time frame, we are overbought, which means we are gonna have to see a correction. Take a look at the daily time frame. As you guys can see, we briefly wicked around this area. Now we're seeing a red candle, which is very concerning on the daily time frame. It looks like we are going to continue to head down, but overall, this must happen if we want to continue to see a Bitcoin price above 25,000 continue. Well, we do have some strong support around $23,000. If I draw the lines right here, we do have around $23,000. This area, as long as we keep above on the weekly time frame above this area, I do expect the price to, bounce off this and pump. But if this doesn't happen, this is your warning or indicator to expect a crash in the crypto market. I'm just warning you guys. This is why you need to prepare, because it's obviously a trap. From a technical standpoint, things aren't adding up. Things are doing the opposite of what they usually do, which means there's manipulation in the crypto market, as you guys can see, because look at 184 million liquidated, 94% from long positions. You need to be careful, guys. I'm telling you, it's right in your face. So you just prepare, guys. But right here in the weekly time frame, it's very bullish right now. We do have a few days until the weekly candle closes. If we stay above 23,000, I'm very bullish, because that means it just formed an engulfing candle, which means we should expect a continued rise to possibly 26,000, because if we have here, the next area of liquidity is around this area, which is 26,800. That's high liquidity levels for the Bitcoin price. And if we take a closer look, we have around this area of the 31,000 area for the Bitcoin price. So is it possible we see a Bitcoin rise to 31,000? Yes, but we need to be careful, because as I said, from a technical standpoint and macroeconomics, things are looking bearish as of right now, unless things turn around and we see the DXY get rejected completely and we close below $100. Well, guys, as of right now, I'm just on the lookout. I'm not entering any trades. I took profits on some altcoins. Just be careful, guys. But my price prediction is, as long as we stay above 23,000, we should, or my price prediction is around 23,000. We're going to be, floating around that area, consolidating for a while until something big happens. But that is my price prediction for the Bitcoin price. Hit the like button, subscribe for daily Bitcoin analysis. Make sure to have post notifications. Check this video out because YouTube is recommending it. Very, very important. With that said, peace.